Right, today I'm going to show you how to use a Honeywell thermostat. How to use a Honeywell thermostat. So right here is a basic Honeywell thermostat, and you have only a few controls on here, so it's quite simple, but I'm going to walk you through the steps. All right, the first thing you want to do is with the Honeywell thermostat is how to turn it on. So right here, you look, there is an off auto button right here. If you press this, it turns it on to auto. See, I did that. But you can also turn it on by simply coming up here and pressing fan. All right, you see that? So now it is on. So the fan is on, but turn it to the auto setting right here, rather than just being the on setting with the fan. And so it automatically adjusts the temperature to what you need it. So if it needs to warm up the place, it'll warm it up to 78 degrees. If you need it to cool off to a certain temperature, lower it down to the temperature you want it, and it will cool, and it adjusts the heater and air conditioning accordingly. All right, so the fan button, if you just turn the fan, it turns it from low, medium, to high. Now in these settings right here, if you adjust the temperature to whatever you want to, it'll bring it up to that setting so that it turns on to the heat right there. Now it's not in the auto setting, it is on the on setting, so it'll bring it up to this temperature, and once it brings it up to this temperature, the fan will keep on going, just blowing out air, circulating air throughout the room. All right, so I'm just gonna bring it to that. And the next features I'm gonna go to the display. So you can change the display from, this is the temperature in the room, you see that? It says 73 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it is right here, this is what the temperature is set at 75 degrees. So this is what it's set at. This is the actual room temperature. All right, you see that? And the next thing I'm gonna show you is how to turn up and down the temperature. If you go over to the right, you see this right here, these up and down buttons, they adjust the temperature. And second to the last step I'm gonna show you is how to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Do you see this button right here? It says F/C, that's Fahrenheit, and that is Celsius. If I press it, currently it's in Fahrenheit, if I press it, it goes to Celsius. So it's set at 20 degrees Celsius, but if in Fahrenheit, it is set at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's the Celsius and Fahrenheit button that you're allowed to switch back and forth, depending on whichever one you're more comfortable with. So after all that is said and done, the last feature I want to show you is the off feature. You come over here, you press this, and you turn off the heater and air conditioning controls all together, just like that. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it.